Hello everyone, Rannie Au GoGo here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a multi-purpose spiritual wash that removes negative energy and welcomes love and prosperity into your space. Here are the ingredients for the Love and Prosperity Drawing multi-purpose wash. All the ingredients are optional, just use what you have on hand and make it your own. So we have 3 handfuls of orange peel, which is prosperity drawing. It has the energies of the sun, brings joy, and it's very uplifting. And we have lemongrass, about 2 stalks of dried or fresh lemongrass. It's good for prosperity and good luck. It's also very uplifting. Then we have dried rose, about 1 handful of rose petals. It draws in love, it heals and opens the heart. It's connected to some divine feminine deities that I work with personally, so I use it in a lot of magical potions and items that I make. And we have about 2 handfuls of sweet basil, which is great for good fortune, money drawing, and prosperity. Gotta love that sweet, sexy basil. Next we have rosemary, fresh rosemary, about 2 sprigs. This is great for cleansing, getting rid of negative energy. Then we'll add about 10 drops or so of bergamot oil, or any citrus oils are great for prosperity and uplifting, joyful energies. Then we'll add about 10 drops of ylang-ylang oil. This is a very high vibrational love oil. Spirits tend to love it. It's very heart healing, heart opening, and it helps welcome a healthy flow of love into the space. Then we'll have about 2 quarts of clean water. You don't want to use dirty water. I mean, unless you like that kind of shit. And we'll also have 1 tablespoon of cast iron soap or any mild dish soap. The most important part of this process is to really feel the energies of the plants that you are incorporating into the wash. As you work with these plants, you feel the energies of love or prosperity or cleansing. I want you to set an intention as you incorporate each ingredient into the blend. Turn the stove on medium heat and pour 2 quarts of water into the pot. Take the rose, the dried rose, and take 3 deep inhales of it and really feel the loving energies that you want to infuse into your space. Smells good, doesn't it? Just feel that loving energy and hold on to that. Remember that those energies are going to be infused into your space as you use the wash. Now add the rose to the pot. Now we have the 3 handfuls of dried orange peel, that solar energy, that uplifting, happy, prosperous energies. I just love orange peels. Smells so good. Just makes me happy. Prosperity, good luck, you know, all that shit. Drop those orange peels in. Now snort the just kidding. Inhale 3 deep inhales of the lemongrass and imagine that prosperity and good fortune and luck that it's going to bring to your space. I love the smell of lemongrass. Yeah. Wow. Drop that lemongrass in. Now we have the super cleansing, getting rid of all that negative bullshit, rosemary. 2 sprigs is all you need. It's super powerful. Super healing, super cleansing. It's also really great for enhancing the memory. I love using this herb. You should grow it if you have the space. It's a great all-purpose herb. Drop in that rosemary. Now we have the 2 handfuls of sweet basil. When you inhale this, think of the money that it will be drawing to your space. Feeling is very important when it comes to magic. What does it feel like to have an abundance of money and prosperity? Imagine the feeling of wealth. Drop in that sweet basil. As it comes to a boil, really feel those energies that you want to infuse into this blend. How does it feel to be loved and have an abundance? How does it feel to clear the space of any negativity, to welcome those loving, prosperous energies in? Hold on to those feelings and imagine infusing them into this magically charged blend. You don't want a stank attitude when you're making this shit. You're cooking up some good energy in this pot. Then you want to turn off the heat, close the lid, and let it cool. Now inhale all that good shit and then breathe out your life breath into the infusion. Then strain the mixture. You can compost the herbs or dry them and burn them later, or just throw them out like a regular person, whatever the fuck. Then you're gonna take your bergamot essential oil and take 3 deep inhales. Imagining the joy, happiness, prosperity, that energy, that solar energy that bergamot brings to the blend, and then add the drops in. You're going to want to take 3 deep inhales of your ylang ylang essential oil and just imagine the loving energies that it's going to bring to the blend. Healing the heart, opening the heart. That's some good shit right there. Then add 10 drops. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid cast iron soap or mild dish soap. Mix it up. Then you're going to want to blow your life breath onto the mixture, imagining the love, prosperity, and happiness that's going to bring into your space. You can pour this into any container that you want and save it in your fridge for up to 2 months. You'll be using about half a cup to every gallon of cleaning water. Again, you can use this for walls, floors, doors, windows. It's an all-around spiritual cleansing wash that will bring love, happiness, and prosperity into your space. Thank you for checking out this video. I go more in depth on how to spiritually cleanse your home in another video. I'm also putting together a full course on magic and spiritual transformation at magickaugogo.com. That's MAGICKAUGOGO.com.